Extreme Power 62100. Those are one of the largest chainsaws they're ever made. It can run a 22-inch and a 20-inch bar. 62cc motor. 62 cc's. Let's talk about the features on this big boy. You got an on switch, down is stop, up is on, choke, half choke, run, chain brake, side fuel tank and oil tank, bucking spike, 20-inch bar, 20-inch chain, muffler, chain tensioner on the saw, chain tensioner bolts. It's a nice, bigger, very good chainsaw. Runs 50 to 1 mix. It's got your auto speed, no carburetor adjusting tool, carburetor jets. If you're going to be cutting firewood, this is one of the biggest firewood chainsaws that you can use. But anyways, I'm all done working for today. I might be able to haul the brush away with the rake, with the gator in a few minutes. And then I'll be done. Anyways, if you're going to be cutting firewood, this is one of the best firewood cutting chainsaws. Anyways, I'll see you around. Bye-bye.